guys, I hope you're keeping safe. My name is Shiey Tabz. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that we can learn tricks and tips on how to grow our YouTube channels. So maybe you just started off YouTube and you're wondering, why am I not getting views? Well, the first reason could be you have scattered content. You're all over the place. You're cooking, you're vlogging, you're doing makeup, you're doing routine videos, and for that reason maybe some of your videos are really doing well and some are not, and for that you're supposed to check what is that people are really into. Maybe just using your analytics, check which videos are getting watch time and focus on that more. You could just drop some other videos once in a while, but have something that people will know you for. The second thing is, just as you started your YouTube channel, you shared out your link to people on Facebook, to people on Instagram and WhatsApp, your family, and hey, I'm a friend to you, so I'll just subscribe to your channel, but I'm not interested in the content that you do. So at the end of the day, you have 1,000 subscribers, but you're just getting 50 views. Just 50 views, and this is disheartening sometimes. Maybe it's just that your target audience is not right. Just go to the people that are relating to your content and share your videos more to them, and you will see your views increase. The other thing is your thumbnails and your titles. Maybe you're just creating thumbnails, or rather you're not even creating thumbnails that are catchy. But remember not to use clickbaits. Remember not to use clickbaits in your titles or clickbaits in your thumbnails, because I will come to your YouTube channel excited to see a video, and then just when I click to it, it's not what was the thumbnail was saying, so I'm going to drop and not watch. So please check out your thumbnails, let them be catchy, let them be enticing, so that people can come and watch your YouTube videos. And the fourth point is, maybe people are not just getting your videos. You see, when you just start YouTube doesn't really push your videos out there to so many people, and for some reason, if you do not share your videos to your interested target audience, people are not going to know that you have a YouTube channel. So you're supposed to ask people, share your videos on YouTube, on Facebook, share them on Instagram, but remember to be right with whoever you want to reach the videos to reach to. And also just use as many external sources as possible so that you can reach a lot of people. The fifth point is, maybe, just maybe, your intro is too long. Do not talk too long when you're starting off your videos. Just go straight to the point so that people can love you, so that people can say, oh, this is what I wanted. I don't want to be on YouTube for long. I just want a straightforward video that will tell me whatever I'm looking for. So do short videos. Do not do so much prolonged videos, so that people can appreciate more of what you're doing, unless of course it's a live video or it's tutorial that might be taking a lot of time. But try and size down so that because people's concentration is very low and people appreciate this. Well, those are the 5 tips that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you're going to appreciate them and apply them to your videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do not forget to subscribe and share this video. Guys, bye bye, and please stay safe.